Keeping fit and healthy has a wide range of obvious health benefits. It also reduces the risk of mental health conditions, type 2 diabetes, cardiovascular disease and dementia, the most common form of Alzheimer's. Currently, 1 in 14 people over the age of 65 are living with the disease in the UK. Keeping physically healthy maintains the brain's cognitive flexibility and improves memory to enhance the ability to make everyday choices. It also squashes the decline that can occur in nerve cell growth and connectivity as people reach the latter stages of their life. Previous research in a mouse model of Alzheimer's disease, undertaken at the University of Eastern Finland, discovered that a healthy fitness regime has the ability to reverse some of the cognitive impairments that distinguish this form of dementia. Arina Baloya, of the Kuopio-led university, explained, long-term voluntary physical exercise reversed cognitive impairment in 7-month-old 5-SFAD mice without affecting neurogenesis, neuronal loss, a beta plaque deposition, or microglia activation. She concluded, voluntary physical exercise could potentially be targeted for benefit against Alzheimer's disease. Dementia, the frequently missed early sign of the disease. Dementia generally refers to the deterioration of the brain that impairs the ability to remember, think, or make everyday decisions. Though dementia is most common in older adults, it is not part of normal aging. Most cases are associated with genetic risk factors, but lifestyle choices, such as physical inactivity and an unwholesome diet, play important roles. Exactly how physical activity protects the brain against the impacts of Alzheimer's has been unclear, however. Scientists have also made it clear that it is too early to tell whether the study in mice can translate to humans. The study, that appears in the International Journal of Molecular Sciences, shows that both the normal aging process and Alzheimer's are associated with changes in the way the brain handles iron. The 5 signs in your nails: you have a vitamin deficiency, from white spots to grooves, expert advice. Stroke, the lifestyle habit increasing your risk of the life-threatening condition, study vulnerable to be given a 3rd jab for added protection. Insight, research published in the U.S. National Institute of Health has linked the accumulation of iron in the brain and changes in iron metabolism to the formation of plaques of a toxic protein called beta amyloid that characterize the disease. Regular exercise and a healthy lifestyle can enhance iron metabolism and avert the buildup of this mineral in the brain. In the new study, scientists compared mice genetically predisposed to develop Alzheimer's with ordinary, or wild-type, mice. Half of the mice had free access to an exercise wheel in their cages, whereas the other animals led a more sedentary life. After a 6-month experiment, the scientists concluded that running adjusts iron metabolism in the brain and enlarges the iron content of muscle. The researchers concluded that regular exercise aids the shielding of the brain from the disruption of iron homeostasis, which is a factor of Alzheimer's. They went on to further conclude, this study highlights the importance of iron dysregulation in Alzheimer's, and demonstrates that long-term voluntary running exercise modulates iron homeostasis in the brain and skeletal muscles of both wild-type mice and mice with Alzheimer's. Our study is the first to link brain alterations of iron homeostasis with decreases in hepcidin and IL-6 in response to regular physical exercise. The obvious downfall of the study was that it was experimented on an animal model of the disease, which may have important contrasting results from the presentation of the disease in humans. Alzheimer's Disease International support regular physical activity to be one of the best ways to reduce your risk of dementia. It's good for your heart, circulation, weight and mental well-being. It is recommended that adults aim for either 150 minutes of moderate aerobic activity or 75 minutes of vigorous aerobic activity each week. The organization also calls for people with the disease to participate in clinical trials in an attempt to understand more about how fitness reduced the chance of developing dementia.